Another subject I'm asked about a lot is leadership. What is a leader? They're not born, they're developed. Do you want to be a leader in your business, in your personal life, in your social life, spiritual? Yes, you want to be a leader in all aspects of your life. Well, what makes a good leader? Well, we've all been around these people and have been drawn to them. We love being around them. We feel empowered when we're around them. We want to have some of those characteristics that they have. Being a leader doesn't mean they dictate. No, leaders listen. They're adaptable. They're empathetic. They're visionary. They lead by example. You see, leaders breed other leaders. This is what we're going to do for you. We're going to break those myths. We're going to show you how to be a leader in your personal life, in your business life, spiritual, all aspects of your life. Because being a leader means you humanize the people around you, and you're going to get the results. Rather than how some other people think to dehumanize them and expect those results. We want to empower people, and as leaders, that's what we will do. So I will look forward to working with you as we build together leaders for this world. I thank you.